In this video, I will show you how to insert an Excel sheet into PowerPoint. Adding an Excel file enhances your presentation by embedding detailed data directly into your slides. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to insert the Excel sheet. Go to the Insert tab in the top menu and click on the Object option. In the pop-up window, select Create from File and click Browse to locate your Excel file. Select the file and click OK. The Excel sheet will now be embedded into your slide, and you can move or resize it as needed. If you prefer to display the Excel file as an icon, check the Display as Icon option before clicking OK. Double-click the icon to open the Excel file. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.